Good morning. Welcome back to December 4th, aka day 4, but also episode 2. Oh, geez, I'm trying to get this. So I can show you my outfit. We got just a little plain outfit today. I didn't make the bed yet. I'm wearing Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. My husband's staring at me. And yeah, we have a little bit of running to do, so I'll take you along with me. We're shopping for a door to go from our garage to our back room, and I found this adorable sign. It's only like $2, so I think I'm gonna get it, but it's the "'Twas the Night Before Christmas," and you know, it's the whole little poem. I love it. Okay, so I'm making cookies currently. I have not vlogged like all day. I'm making chocolate crinkle cookies. We went to a birthday party and I have been exhausted, but I just wanted to make some kind of Christmassy cookie today. So I'm making this, and I will do a little bit more videoing tomorrow. I apologize. Good morning. It is Monday and we're back to working from home, but we did get a lot done this weekend, but that means our house is a mess again because, you know, it's never ending in a construction site. But we got our bathroom for the most part finished. We're kind of putting a hold on all renovations other than like I'm painting the cabinets and stuff. That's not really like anything crazy. We're putting on a hold on any big renovations until after Christmas because we need to buy Christmas gifts and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to show you where I put that little cute sign that I bought yesterday, and I'm going to show you the updated bathroom. Okay, so we're still deciding on a color for up here. We haven't put the mirror up yet, but we got this cute little vanity, and we got a toilet, and we got our wainscoting up. So yeah, I'm going to have to paint the wainscoting and that, and we have a light fixture that's going to go up there. But so far it's looking good. The walls are in a little rough shape. We're working on them because there was wallpaper just like 99% of the house. But it's a working bathroom for now. And then this is where I ended up putting the "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" sign. I think it looks really cute right next to our stockings and all of that. Okay, I had to run to Target because I wanted to get like a soap for the new bathroom and a few other things. I got lunch from Chick-fil-A. I got a fruit cup, chicken nuggets for lunch, but I have to run in and grab a few things. So we're going in there. I'll do a little haul if I end up getting anything. And yeah. Kind of the color I want to paint it, so I'm thinking about getting this. Okay, so I was in the middle of making dinner and I got 2 packages and I really don't know what they are. Because they could be Christmas gifts or they could be for me, so I'm gonna open them real quick. Okay, so this one's called Hey Milestone, and it's like a bunch of like baby samples and all of this, so I'm pretty excited. Like there's like hand sanitizer, wow, there's a bottle, Aquaphor, a binky, a lot of different things. I'm gonna have to go through this real quick. I didn't know what was coming. Okay, and this one is sample wallpaper for the nursery, which I'm not gonna show because I'm gonna make a whole dedicated video on that. But yeah, that's what my mystery were, because I didn't recognize the names of the companies. I was really confused. So pregnancy brain's getting to me, but I attempted to make these cookies last night and I forgot baking soda. Almost forgot eggs, but luckily my mom had some. But yeah, I made some chocolate crinkle cookies and they look very good. I think this is the first time I've ever had them. I saw somebody on TikTok making them and now I wanted them. So we'll give them a try. Good morning, guys. I am not feeling great today. Nothing crazy, just I have a stuffy nose and everything. So today, this last of the 3 days, is probably going to be pretty boring. I'll probably finish off by showing you the rest of my Christmas decorations. I just have a few in here, and then my dining room I did up. And yeah, that will probably be about it. I'll show you what I do today, what I eat. That's about it. I'm not leaving the house today. I'm just going to work all day. Okay, so I did decorate the table, but I used to have a coffee bar at our condo, so I have a bunch of mugs, so I kind of just set up this little coffee station for Christmas, and we got a little marshmallow fireside burning. I picked this up during the candle sale, but I'm gonna use one of these mugs, I think, to make, I'm gonna make a carnation instant breakfast. Okay, I'm ending the vlog off. Made dinner. I didn't leave the house all day. So these past 3 days were probably pretty boring to watch, but hope you might have found them a little bit enjoying. Probably won't get this up until tomorrow on Thursday when I started the next set of vlogs. Or Wednesday. Oh my god, see, I don't even know my days. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed.